Hello you guys, welcome back. I have purchased me a new durable mug from Macy. I got it all cleaned out. This is my old mug here. See, the lid is messed up on it really bad. It doesn't say because it fell, so it broke. So that will be going out, but I got this mug here for $8.52 from Macy's on clearance. Here's the box, you guys. You want to see how it looks? It's an insulated coffee mug, and I have my coffee here on deck. There we go. See? And I like the handle, it's very durable. Fits way better than the other one. And the name is at the bottom of the mug, you guys. So yes, if you're looking for another mug that you don't want to pay all the money for, but it's insulated, it's durable, go to Macy.com. And they have all colors, but the purple one's the one was on clearance. And here we go again, you guys. And happy shopping. Bye-bye.